So we continue with the overview of the 2010 Chevy Taho LTZ here at AlphaCars. We're in our service center and we have the vehicle on the lift. It's 2010, and the reason we're going to showcase this vehicle because this is an outstanding example of how vehicles hold up outside of New England elements. So we are looking at 2010 with just under 90,000 miles. Well maintained, all service done through Chevy dealers, and we have done some follow-up work. We will point out what we have done. It's a one-owner vehicle, but the best and the most impressive part of this one is that it actually has no rust. We're looking at a 11-year-old vehicle that has absolutely no rust on the underbody. We're going to see some light surface rust here and there, which is obviously acceptable and understood for these types of applications. So let's start from the front of the vehicle and walk, make our way back. Okay, right front suspension. And by the way, we installed, you can see the new ball joint that we installed. You can find all the details about the work we completed in the listing at alphacars.com. Here, as you can see, is the cross member that still has original factory coating on it. All the hardware is rust-free. Here's the new GM oil filter we installed. Left suspension, front cross member, bone drivetrain, not a speckle of oil anywhere. Transmission looks immaculate. Check this out. It almost looks like the transmission was recently replaced, but it's just the way the aluminum looks when it hasn't been exposed to the stuff that we see on the road. And we had to drive this vehicle here for our road tests, and that's why you already see a little bit of white stuff here and there. Here it is. Let me just find it. Here it is. See this white stuff? Yeah, that's something you don't see in Utah. Look at the condition of the unibody. No rust anywhere in the typical places where we usually see massive amounts of rust. Check this out. And here's the frame rail itself. Transfer case, again, completely dry. Flex pipe, Luke just came off of the factory. Right side frame, impeccably clean. Rear cross member. Well, gas tank is plastic, nothing happens to it. Rear suspension, coil spring. Again, check out this rust-free environment. Whoever buys this vehicle, we highly recommend doing comprehensive preparation and rust proofing. Yes, this vehicle is a few $1,000s more than vehicles with comparable miles, but not rust-free, and that is a small price to pay for this kind of condition and this kind of quality. It's actually outstanding value. Here are the AC lines for the rear air conditioning. Aluminum is bright and as shiny as it is on a new vehicle. Rear axle, differential, nice and dry. Again, check out the suspension, no rust. We're going to walk around the vehicle with on the lift so you can see the exterior of the vehicle as well. No damage on the bumper, nice and clean. Absolutely amazing, truly amazing. For those of you that doubt with rust on any automobile, would appreciate the condition of this Taho LTZ. And you can check availability on alphacars.com or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000.